Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. Today, we're taking a closer look at a website called Terrafers.com, which claims that users can receive a $750 Target gift card just by completing a few simple steps. But is this opportunity genuine, or is it something you should approach with caution? Let's break it down. According to the website, the process starts by entering a valid email address and confirming that you are over 18 years old. After that, users are asked to complete several promotional offers, usually around 4 or 5 tasks. These tasks may include signing up for free trials, downloading certain mobile apps, or filling out online surveys. The platform suggests that each completed offer brings you closer to unlocking the promised gift card reward. On the surface, this can sound very appealing because receiving a $750 gift card for completing a few tasks seems like a great deal. However, there are a few important things to understand about websites like this. Many of them operate using affiliate marketing systems. This means the site earns commissions when users sign up for partner services, install apps, or provide personal information. In some cases, the offers may involve trial subscriptions that could later turn into paid services if they are not canceled in time. Another point to remember is that reward pages like this are often not officially connected to the brands they mention. Even though the promotion talks about a Target gift card, that doesn't necessarily mean the retailer is actually sponsoring the offer. So, is Terrafers.com legit or a scam? The website may simply be a promotional rewards platform, but users should always be careful. Make sure to read the full terms, understand what each offer requires, and avoid sharing sensitive personal or financial information unless you fully trust the platform. If you've had any experience with Terrafers.com, feel free to share it in the comments to help others stay informed. And as always, if you enjoy learning about online scams and suspicious websites, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor for more updates that help you stay safe online. Thank you.